Yeah, hi everyone. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, Kiran.
Okay. Okay. So everyone joined, or we are waiting from someone? Hello.
Yeah, hi, Kiran.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. So thank you for joining. And yesterday we discussed right, LR functions and wave functions. So anyone can explain what are the LR functions and wave functions? Hello.
Yes, Kiran.
Yes. What are the LR functions and wave functions? What you know? If you can explain.
LR start transaction, LR end transaction,
Okay.
and then LR data timer, I think timer or something.
Okay. And
And Kiran, function is like some function for that. Let's say just like webrex have param and webrex have param x. And we have also discussed the web URL function like load for specific web page and web click function as well, and web submit form function as well,
okay.
and website proxy as well. And LR function we have different like load runner function, like exit function and abort function that execution from scripts, and exit function exit from the script action and iteration. And in the abort we execute from script but continue with the virtual user statements for that. And we are also discuss there is some LR function, the LR save string, LR save integer function, LR load function, like that.
And another, we discuss more, right?
Yes, you have discussed different function. But Kiran, if can you means execute one by one function, so it will be helpful for us. Means Raj, yesterday we discussed some function, no doubt, but
But
practically,
all functions, yeah, all functions, if it's based on the use only, we can use. Okay.
yeah,
That
okay,
is why I'm not told. So if you want, means already I told, right? Just you can go to the using for the function reference. You can go to the function reference and you can see the how it is useful and how they are using for the syntax and everything you can know. Okay. Narayana, which purpose we can use LR abort and exit?
Yeah, hello. LR about uh, yeah the about the test executions and continue with the uh, LR yeah sorry LR about used for you can
Okay.
about the test execution
Okay.
and continue with the output
Okay.
window. So that times we can use the LR abort. Suppose LR exit means, suppose if you want to exit from the function, exit from the particular specific URL. So that times we are using the LR exit.
Okay. Okay. Uh, right. What is the LR ranges point?
Yeah, LR advice points means like suppose there are the so many requests is there. So you can wait for the user reach the specific point so that
Okay.
user can uh, user can access the next request uh,
It will execute the all user sets subsequently.
Frequently and concretely. So that purpose we are using the LR.
Okay. Like website max system param length function, which purpose we can use, Praveen?
Which one,
Hello.
Kiran?
Website max HTML param length function.
If the length is more, then we are using.
Which
Sorry, I
length is
forgot.
more? Ravi?
HTML length.
Ravi?
HTML length.
No, no.
HTML string that can retrieve saved as a parameter.
Yeah, website max HTML form for the suppose the load by default load runner having the 256 bytes. You can set the more uh, bytes. Then you go for the website max HTML for. So that needed for the function.
Okay. Like what are the verification points, Praveen? Validation. What are the validation functions?
Web break fine and web image check.
Okay, web break find which base we can validate, and web image check which base.
Web break fine is for the test validation, and
Okay.
image check is for image
Okay.
validation.
Okay. Okay, Ravi, what is the difference between web submit data and web submit form? What is the
Which
difference between web submit data and web submit form?
web submit data?
Yeah.
Web submit form is like Kiran. You can say that when we submit the form in any business flow, like recording option for that, like for that. Suppose where when we submit the any add to cart form for that, like for that, like like for some particular operation. And second one, which that you are telling that
Web submit data.
data is like perform an unconditional contextual submission like we are clicking the any get or post request.
Okay.
You, and
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay. So yeah. So I think we LR evolving which purpose we can use?
Which one?
LR evolving
For
to
reading
read,
the data.
yeah, to read the variable pointer we are using from the LR evolving. Okay, so you guys will be go through that and you can read okay more. Okay, so now I will we can do from the one some different requirement, like for example if you go to the application. Okay, if you go to the application. Okay, here it's not okay. So this is the application. For here, when you are recording the script, so we want to record the like flight booking is a one action and cancel ticket is a one action I want to do. Okay. So this point of view, how to we can record the script, these things we can observe for today class. Okay. So now I will open the virtual user generator. Okay. So requirement you understand, right? Like I want to record and assume to the now we can observe. So as of now we are done from the scripting. So how to we can record the script properly, and I will show the end-to-end testing also. Okay, like end-to-end script analysis how we can do from there once get the requirement and how to we can record and how to we can do from scripting enhancements. So how to we can record as a properly. So I will explain for this class. Okay, for now you can observe just I am creating from the new script. and we are selecting from the protocol web HTTP HTML protocol because we are recording from the web based application. So that is why we are selected as a this name you need to provide from the script name. Okay, I'm doing from the web tour is my application. In that what I am doing means flight booking and cancel ticket also I'm performing. Cancel ticket. Okay, and I will give from the date of the today. Okay, 2024. Okay, so just create button. So now we can observe. So now we can record the script. This is the record button, and after that, before recording, we should set the recording options also, very important for us. So today I will cover this recording options also. Okay, in the recording options, nothing but when you are recording the script, we should be set from the some prerequisites. Okay, and we can record from the two ways, HTML mode and URL message. So very important interview question: what is the difference between HTML and URL mode? Okay, so HTML nothing but we want to record the only user actions, then we can go with the HTML based. You want to record the user actions along with the server side resource also, we can go with the URL mode. As same to when we can switch from the HTML to URL means, so when you are like application is the JSP pages, Java servlet pages keep on changing for that page. Okay, dynamically it is changing. So if you recorded HTML base, that will be not acceptable because the pages are keep on changing. But only user actions only it will record from the HTML base. So that is why we can't use from the HTML. So then we can switch from the HTML to URL based. When you are record the URL based, we can observe URL advanced also. We have the functions, which functions it will be generated means use web custom request also it will generated additionally apart from the web submit data, web URLs, and apart from this as same to the web custom request also it is generated. So this web custom request is a dynamic pages handle point of view. It will be generated from the web custom request. Okay, so if you want to record means you can select this and click on OK and you can do that. Okay, we'll see that also. Okay, after this completed. So now these are the recording options, and after that script. In the script you can observe these are the options. So this will be fixed options. So every time no need to change anything. So this will be fixed. And protocol. So protocol, which protocol you are selected when you are clicking from the add new script, right? There you are selected as a web HTTP HTML protocol. So that protocol it is displayed here. And code generation, here code generation nothing but code generation process including like you want to from the correlation scans. Like you can observe when we are going to the design studio, click on from the design studio, you are able to see that some dynamic values also it is a scanning. How it is scanning means when you are script to recording time you need to give from the this correlation also. If you want to from the asynchronization scan also means you can select for this. So no need for us. Okay, we need to select from this only and go to the configuration. Here we need to set from the like this is the rule scan. Like you are already done from the some rules creation. You want to those rules also effective means you can give as a rule scan, and you can record scan, replace scan, and here we can select from the like when you are doing from the correlation, like we have the different functions I told, right? So you can set from the anything is fine, and these all will be like values from the shorter than this and more than this. It is a just default this. If you want more means we can give from the more also. So here also you can observe replace scan configuration. Scan difference between snapshot using like is HTML based or URL based, like text comparison. Like we are maximum we are doing from the HTML, right? So that is why we are given as a every time HTML comparison only. And rules. So rules is the auto correlation. When we are doing from the auto correlation, so the .NET application will be there. What will happen means, if you are doing from the every release, like every month release or every 2 months, whatever may be, the values will be, some values will be not change. Every time the boundaries will be same, like left bound, right bound, every time it will same. So means you should do the like some correlation, like before that only can create rule, like you can create from the new application, and in that application you need to create from the new rule, and it is what are the values you are doing from the correlation user section, and what things you are doing you can give, and there you need to provide from the boundaries. And once when you are recording the script, if you want, for example, we want to this, you want to apply means applicable means you need to select this when you are recording, then only it will be applicable. If you not selected, then it is not applicable, means automatically the correlation will happen once script is recording is completed, and correlation automatically it is done. This is the like rule based correlation. Okay. And now we can go to the advanced. So in the advanced we can see the these options. Now is the important thing is that this is also we need to enable from the when you are doing for the scripting, very important thing from the generate web breakpoint function. Why? Because so like it's a very small then application. If you go to the application and take from the any static test, like it's a 5 to 6 or 10 transactions, you can go to the each page and you can take the static test. But maybe your code is more than 10,000, then each and every request above we need to go to the page and take from, means that will be take from the time, and that is a very manual effort. To overcome that, we have the function automatically it will be generated. When you are before recording, you need to check from the this generate web breakpoint function. And what will happen means, what is the page title will be there, that will be as a text it will capture from the in web breakpoint function. Okay. And if you want from the like generate web add cookies also, if you want means you can add this, and the headers also very important. So you need to give from the maximum record headers in list we can give, and for here what you want you can select from here, and automatically like already selected, right? That is fine, means you can select and click on OK. Means headers also very important for us, like when you are recording the script, after recording is completed, you are observe that recording some header files miss also we can add using for the web add for header function. Sometimes you will get from the 500 internal server error. Why? Because in the actually when you are recording at that time, one what is the header is there, that is the there in the record responses, but when you are replay the response, you are unable to see the that header, then you need to add from the as a header above the script using for the web add header function. Then you need to do from the like this from the when you are doing from the advanced settings. Okay, this content type, this will be common things. Okay, and mapping and filter. So mapping and filter nothing but we want to, when you are recording the script, we have the capture levels. So it is a socket level or VNet level. Based on that, you can select from the like it is a web based application. You need to select as a VNet level or socket level, like it's a web based socket level, like Windows based means VNet level. Sometimes what will happen, you are able to recording the script but you are unable to record the script, like some requests are missing or it is happening from the you are unable to recording. So you can try with the both also we can try. And one more thing is the options also very important for us. Okay, if you click options, here we have the socket level options, SSL versions. Like based on from the as a your application as a developer, he will give from the some different SSL versions like 2.3 or 1.0 TLS, 1.2 TLS. Okay, they will. So based on that, you need to select from that. Okay, and you can update if you want to change anything. So and after that chain configuration there is nothing. Okay, code generation here also we don't have anything. If you want to add any headers or anything means we can add from the here also. Okay, that will be no need, and we have the import and export also will be there. So when you are enable this, it will be everything is enabled. Okay, so these are the like recording options, very important things from the when you are recording the script. And one more thing I will explain. Sometimes you are unable to recording the script. Using from the proxy mode also we can record. Okay, we have the two things will be there here. Use the load runner proxy, record local application. Otherwise, use streaming mode when recording with the load runner proxy. Sometimes you are unable to recording, you can try with this also. Okay, so that is the one more thing. And after that, if you did any changes, okay, you can click on OK button. Now we need to record. Now here you need to select. Now I will explain from the notepad. Okay, we'll go to the notepad. Okay, now my requirement v user init launch and login. Okay, and action part I divide as a two things: ticket, booking, and cancel. And user and logout part. Okay, as simple real time maximum we can follow these steps. It's a very important thing. Like when you are doing from the login, it's a unit keep from the user init. Action part nothing but what are the actions you are doing, that part you need to record in the action part, and user end part is the logout. So based on that we can record now. Okay, now so everything is done, right? Now we are set from the here launch starting, right? You can give from the user init and Chrome, and this is the file and this is the URL. Okay, everything done. Then click from the start record button. Oh, we are doing from the Chrome. Okay, so live stream is running. If I could maybe I'm not sure. Other up, we'll try with the Firefox. I'm not sure it able to record or not. Okay, we'll try with the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, and just click from the start record button. Okay, well, because YouTube live stream also is going, so because of that I'm unable to recording from the through as a Chrome. Okay, so I selected as a Firefox. We'll see we are able to record or not. We can check because I'm not updated more from here.
Keep your portfolio.
Events, see, this is also very important thing. Like when you are recording, right, events not increasing means your script is unable to recording. That will be very clear. Okay, we'll see here any error we are getting. So when you are recording, right, you are unable to recording means you can come to this page and you can check from the here you are getting any error or any kind of SSL version issues or what you can observe in the output end also. It is opening, but it is taking time. Okay, what happening? So let me stop and we'll see. It is recorded or not, you can observe. So browser compatible issues are very important. Like we are not updated from the current version, so you are unable to record the script. So that is also important. Like if your browser will be updated version or not, if is any updates need, you can update, and after that you can record. It's taking time. Stay stuck. Okay. So for example, as per our discussion, right, we'll record next time. Okay, now I am creating from the one more action also, create new action, and I give it as a cancel ticket. Okay, and if you go from the here, okay, you can go to the when you are recorded, right, we need to keep from the here only launch and login transactions. So already we are recorded everything in the within the one transaction, so you can copy from the entire thing, okay, up to from the login end. So this is the up to login end. So this is also coming from here, right, up to this control X and put it from the user init section. Okay, while now launch is done, this is the click on flight, this all will be coming to the ticket booking only. Okay, and next we need to do from the logout also. You can put it from the end section, like we can take from the here onwards. Okay, and up to that control X and you need to key from the cancel ticket. Okay, in between you need to provide. So means once we can record also, you guys can try yourself, you can record. So you guys will be record from the like this. User init section is the launch and login part. Okay, and after that ticket booking is the and cancel ticket is the business part. So what is the business part will be there? So we are put it here, right? Sorry, end part. Okay, so you also record like this and you can do from the, this is the way you can do. And after that, based on the our requirement, for example, I want to ticket booking is a 10 times. Okay, and cancel will be 5 times. So when you are create as a actions only, we can do that thing. Otherwise you recorded everything like ticket booking and cancel also, you put it from the within the, okay, within the action only, then what will happen? So when you are execute, right, 10 times you are executed, 10 tickets will book, 10 tickets will be cancelled. But my scenario is only 10 tickets will book and 5 tickets will be cancelled. So that point of view we can create as actions. Then we can go to the runtime settings. Okay, and you need to create from the here blacks, we need to create from the blacks. Okay, so already I created blacks. Okay, I will remove and will create again. Now we can create as a insert black. Okay, in that black we need to add from the action is the ticket booking one. Okay, and I can create from the one more black. Okay, here I am put it from the insert action as a cancel ticket. Okay, now I created this. Now what we can do means we can select here and we can see here based on from the our run, we have also here sequential will be there, random will be there. Okay, based on that you need to, for example, I want to, this is the ticket booking, right? Okay, we want to up and down also we can give. Otherwise what we can use, we can insert as action is a ticket booking and we can cancel the cancel one. Okay, remove this and this is the cancel one. Okay, steps also sequential will be important. Okay, means after ticket booking only cancel will happen, right? So that is why I selected this. Now you can observe I want ticket booking 10 times. Okay, I will give from the 10 and I want from the this cancel. Okay, ticket booking we can remove. Okay, I want to only cancel, remove, right? Okay, now cancel. If you select this and I want only 5. Okay, so if you give from the here as a main iteration, it will be multiply. Okay, 1 into 5, it is a 5 times, it is a cancel ticket. 1 into 10, 10 times is the this one, it will come. Otherwise if you give from the here 2 into 5, 10 times is a cancel and 20 times will be ticket booking will happen. First we'll observe this and we'll see from the results. Okay, so if you click here and click on this, you can observe also, you can observe from the runtime viewer because we are given from the everything separate. You can observe launch is happen only one, how many times you are given, only that time only it is happen. From the, after that everything is you can observe business part only it will executing. You can observe only flight booking only it is happening from the it is not happening from the login every time. So if you keep from the everything in the within the action, so then each and everything also you can observe also here user in it only one time only it is login happen, one user only. But this ticket booking happen from the 10 times and cancel it is happen from the 5 times. So based on these kind of things we can create as a actions and we can create from the blacks and how many iterations we want based on that you can give. Now we'll try with the okay. Here we can provide as a 2 and it is a multiply or not we can observe, see, and we can execute. You can observe runtime viewer also how it is executing. It is every time it's not going to the login, only one time it is login happen. After that, so every time it is executing only business flow only. So now we'll observe here. So you can observe this is the we are given how many times actually in the black 10. Actually main iteration we are provided as a 2. 10 into 2 20 and here cancel ticket we are provided as a 5. 2 into 5 10. So based on this point of view we are using from the this blacks concept. Okay, I think Praveen, you when you are joined right that day I explained this one, that is why you are full confused. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so this kind of actually also scripts we can do from the this way also. Why? Because real time, like when you are executing from the this script in the okay in our okay where we are executing is in controller. Okay, you can observe results here. Only here if you execute here only one time it is happen, but you are given there 100 users. Then what will happen means the launch and login is happen from the 100 times only, but this ticket and cancel it is happen from the in the 1 hour duration. That 100 users how many times it will iterate, so that many times it will happen from the ticket booking and cancel. User end again 10 times only it will log out, like 100 times only it is log out. So means this point of maybe if you keep from the everything in the action part, assume what will happen, the launch login and action part and end part also it will execute from the like many times, more than 100 times, because based on from the iterations like a duration we are given 1 hour duration you are given. In the 1 hour duration how many times it will executed, that many times it will executed. So that is why no need, right? Login is we are doing from the 100 means 100 is fine. Only our thing we need test the business part, logic part, like as a action part. So that point it is how many days it is came and what is the response time we are getting. That is the very important thing. If you observe here also, launch and login is a one time happen. This is the response time, and click and find is a 20 times it is happen. It is a okay. This is the response time is happen 401 milliseconds. Okay, and find flight is happen from the 487 milliseconds. Payment it is happen from the 247 milliseconds. Sign up is happen from the 566 happen. Okay, so based on real time also we need to perform this way. So when you are recording the script you guys will be follow this kind of thing. User init section every time you can keep it in the launch only. Okay, business part you can keep from the action part, and user end part nothing but it's an end part like logout part you can keep and do from the scripting announcements as per how we are did from the as of now. Same way you can do from the correlation, parameterization, scripting announcements, validation points, and everything you can do from the same way you can do. Is clear everyone? Okay, so this is the way we can do from the scripting. So web-based scripting maximum we are completed, maximum everything we are finished. Okay, so we have the like tomorrow we'll see the web services testing in the scripting, how to we can do the scripting all things, and after that web service also completed we can move to the controller. Okay, how to we can design the scenario, how to we can execute, and how many kinds of test we can do, and how to we can design those tests, like we have to do from the peak load test, spike test, stress test, endurance test. Okay, so based on which base will give from the that number of users and all things we can discuss from the, maybe tomorrow itself it is completed web service testing. Day after tomorrow onwards we can start from the controller. Okay, as of now, anyone have any doubt? Ravi and Praveen and Narayana?
Yes, Kiran, we will discuss after this ticket booking and cancel ticket practice, then discuss with you.
Okay, no worry. Okay. So I think we are good, right? We can good to close class. Okay, thank you for joining, and you guys can prepare well. Okay, we'll discuss more. Okay, next class. Thank you, everyone.
Sure, Kiran, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.